Hello friends, welcome to Eduspire Career Development Private Limited. Today we will discuss group verbs made of group verbs for verb make. So let's start our discussion. The cat made dash the rat. It should be made after, which means chased. You are making dash me, that is trying to harm, so making against me. He made dash me with a knife. So it is in the sense of attack. So he made at me with a knife. She made dash herself in the sense of killed. So made away with. She made away with herself. The ship made dash the sea, went to sea. That is, ship made for the sea. The butter is made dash milk. It indicates chemical composition, change in the chemical composition. So it is made from. The house is made dash stone, constructed with. In that sense, it is made of. The boy made dash with my bag. So it should be OFF off, made off. That means ran away. I cannot make dash what you say. So it should be make out. He made dash the charge to me. So it should be made over. That is delivered. We made dash our quarrel. So it should be made up. That means to settle. You must make dash he's lost. So it should be make up for. Make up for means to compensate. I have not yet make dash my mind. It should be make up my mind. That means not yet decided. She is always heavily made dash, made up. That means decorated. Society is made up of people. That is composed. We need one player to make up the team. That is to complete the team. Hope you have understood this.